Accord Pharmaceuticals Limited is an emerging Nepalese pharma venture committed to build a healthier community with quality products that comply with their stringent quality standards. With the vision to earn respect and reputation in the field of pharmaceuticals by improving quality of life, the plant has a state-of-art manufacturing facility at Mahalakshmi 8 Lubhu, Bishnudol, Lalitpur, with total built-up area of 60,000 square feet with tablet, capsule, liquid and semi-solid sections. The manufacturing facility has been created on clean room concept conforming statutory regulations like WHO GMP and EU GMP. The production department is equipped with machines and equipments of latest technology. The tablet compression machine, capsule filling machine, tube filling machine, and liquid filling machine are fully automatic to ensure the precision. All manufacturing processes are clearly defined, systematically reviewed, and are shown to be capable of manufacturing medicinal products of the required quality consistently as per recommended specifications. Accord strives for excellence through integrity and ethical practices of production, marketing, and total quality management, ensuring policy pursuance and respect for people. The packaging unit is automatic too. Here is thorough in-process control checks, thorough check of finished products and well-controlled distribution system of the products. Accord has the main objective to develop a production-centric, GMP-compliant, zero-defect system that allows for continuous improvement in the long run. Accord missions to produce medicines with world-class quality, easy accessibility, ready availability, and patients' affordability. The Quality Assurance Department is constantly working to ensure the quality products. They are basically involved in technology transfer, calibration and validation, documentation, quality improvement plans, assuring quality of the products. All the specified raw materials and packing materials are procured from approved vendors only. Accord has systematic storage and area for storage of raw, packing and finished goods with 10,500 square feet area. Here is provision of separate sampling booth for active pharmaceutical ingredients and excipients with separate dispensing booth for tablet, capsules and liquid semi-solid dosage forms. A separate quality control department is working with chemical, instrumentation, and microbiological section for analysis of all input raw materials, packing materials, intermediate and finished products with sophisticated instruments. The department operates under pharmacist, chemist, and microbiologist. Accord believes that quality is achieved through continuous individual and collective team effort of all the personnel, suppliers, and contractors working for the company. With the similar facility having miniature machines ensuring replication of the process, all the dosage forms are developed in R&D with materials, process, and control, specifications, and their stability study with focus on creating value through innovation by formulating and developing novel products. Accord has proper implementation of Building Management System BMS for tablet and capsule section and Environmental Monitoring System EMS for liquid and semi-solid for controlling and monitoring of temperature, humidity, and pressure difference in production during dispensing, manufacturing, and packing of the products. The reverse osmosis electrodeionization water purification system and effluent treatment plant conforms the commitment towards quality and environment. With clear-cut job descriptions and responsibilities, every personnel are imparted internal as well as external training. Accord has wide therapeutic range of products including antimicrobials, anti-ulcerants, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, medicines for cardiovascular diseases and diabetes. Accord would like to thank all valued stakeholders while we embark our journey for a healthier and happier world. Accord Pharmaceuticals Limited, enriching life.